Adventure touring bike lovers, prepare to be blown away. Kawasaki is preparing the latest generation of its flagship motorcycle, the Kawasaki Versys 1100. This bike is rumored to come with a more powerful engine and advanced features to accompany your adventures. One of the significant changes to the Kawasaki Versys 1100 is the increase in engine capacity. Although there is no official confirmation, rumors suggest that the Versys 1100 will feature a 4-cylinder engine with a capacity of more than the 1043 cubic centimeters currently used in the previous version. The increase in engine capacity is expected to provide more power and torque, making the bike more responsive when accelerated and able to go faster. In addition to a more powerful engine, the Kawasaki Versys 1100 is also rumored to be equipped with various advanced features that make the riding experience more comfortable and safe. Some of the features that are likely to be adopted include a color TFT display that will provide more detailed and easy-to-read information, such as speed, engine speed, fuel consumption, and various other settings. In addition, the semi-active front suspension will automatically adjust the firmness according to road conditions, thus providing optimal driving comfort. Radar-based adaptive cruise control. This feature allows the motorcycle to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front automatically. Blind spot detection system. This feature will provide a warning if there is another vehicle in the blind spot, thus improving riding safety. Although there is no official confirmation from Kawasaki, we expect the Kawasaki Versys 1100 to be introduced at the EICMA 2024 event, which will be held in early November. With the various improvements offered, the Kawasaki Versys 1100 is ready to become the top choice for adventure touring motorcycle enthusiasts who want better riding performance and comfort. Thanks for watching.